taking right now is not easy. You will miss the family gatherings. You will be cold when others are resting. You will be expected to stand firm when fear is everywhere. But you choose this path because it was not easy. You choose it because it was right. One day, you will be stand where I am standing now. And when that day comes, you will look back and realize every hardship had a purpose. Every struggle had a lesson. And every tears was worth it. So, when training gets hard, when you feel like giving up, remember this moment. Remember that you are not just a trainees. You are the futures of guardians of peace, protectors of life, and human dignity. Hold on to your values, respect the badge, and serve with integrity. And never forget why you started. To the PSDRC Class Balagsik, we believe in you. The organizations believe in you. And one day, the people you will serve will depend on you. You have to stand proud, train hard, and serve with honor. Mabuhay ang PNP, mabuhay kayo ang kinabukasan ng serbisyo publiko. Thank you and salute to your journey.